Hi champs, how are you? Welcome to our channel Maths Mill. Today we are going to discuss about coordinate geometry part 2. So in the last video we have done with the part 1 coordinate geometry. What and all the coordinate concepts, what is x-axis, what is y-axis and what is x coordinate, what is y coordinate and what are the quadrants q1, q2, q3, q4 and what is the nature of the quadrants. Those concepts we have discussed. Today we are going to discuss how to plot the points and which quadrant belongs to which point. Like that we are going to discuss. Okay. So champs, as we discussed in the last class, here we are having the nature of the points according to the quadrants. Q1 both are plus, Q2 minus comma plus, Q3 minus comma minus, Q4 plus comma minus. So in this particularly how we are going to be plot in the sense, here I have given few examples 1 comma 2, minus 2 comma 3, minus 3 comma minus 4, 1 comma minus 2. The question is plot the points plot the points in the coordinate system. What is coordinate system? Just once we can recall the concept what we discussed earlier. It is the coordinate system. It is called x-axis and this and all particularly positive x-axis and this is negative x-axis. So it is positive y-axis and negative y-axis. So this and all we discussed earlier. And what is the point? The distance from y-axis is x coordinate. The distance from x-axis is y coordinate. For example, if you want to plot the point 1 comma 2, so we have to be identify this 1 on x-axis and this 2 on y-axis where it will be. So 1 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis, the point will come here. It is called 1 comma 2. So as I said, 1 is nothing but the distance from y-axis. See, if you can observe, this is the distance 1 unit. If you can observe, this is 2 units. So that is again I am saying that the distance from y-axis is x coordinate, distance from y-axis is x coordinate, distance from x-axis is y coordinate. Okay. So in this particularly next example, if you can observe, I have chosen the examples also. First quadrant, second quadrant, first quadrant both are plus, plus 1, plus 2. Second quadrant minus plus, minus 2, plus 3. Third quadrant both are minus, minus 3, minus 4. Fourth quadrant plus minus 1 comma minus 2, plus 1 comma minus 2. So like that we have chosen. Now we have to be concentrated because the plotting of points are very important. Not only in coordinate geometry, pair of linear equations also you have to be draw the graph, and quadratic equations also sometimes we have to be draw the graph. At that time, if you know the plotting of point, this process is very easy for you. The coming process is very easy for you. So now once you can see, here we have done with that 1 comma 2. Let it name it as A. Let it name it as B. B point minus 2 comma 3. We want to plot minus 2 comma 3. So whatever it is, first you can choose that x-axis. X-axis minus 2, here it is. Plus 3, here it is. You can plot the point. In the graph sheet you can plot it very easily because with the accuracy. Here I am doing in a rough way. So that's why you can see like this. You will get it. So just it is minus 2, it is 3. And again here we have to be learn one more point. Y-axis, that means x-axis is distance from y-axis, x coordinate is distance from y-axis, y coordinate is distance from x-axis. Hope you understood. Always you have to be remember that point. Here also minus 2, when it comes to distance we can take 2 units only. Distance always positive integer only. Is it clear? Okay. Now we can move on to that. Next point, let it be some C. C point is minus 3 comma 4 as usual. First you have to be choose the 3 on x coordinate, x axis as x coordinate. So it is 3. Okay. Next minus 4. it should be on y-axis. So where those two will be meet, that is your required point. It is -3 comma -4, name is C. Here it is -2 comma +3, it is the point. Always you can round off the point and show the point what you have identified and name it. Then the evaluator will get exact clarity. Yes, he knows everything like that. Okay. Now coming to the next point, let it be name it as D, 1 comma -2. As usual, 1 you have to be choose from x-axis, -2 you have to be choose from y-axis. So this is the point 1 comma -2, let it be D. So now, according to my knowledge, hope my students are following how to plot the points. If you know how to plot the points, the concept is very easy for you. Okay? Dear champs, it is completely about coordinate geometry introduction part, which completely belongs to 9th grade CBSE. So, the upcoming, that means the coordinate geometry extension part will be in 10th grade. There you have to be learn distance formula, section formula, triangle area formula, this and all. By using this coordinate system, easily we will get it. Clear? Now, one more point I want to say. We and all are watching my video at first level. So the coordinate geometry first part, the link will be provided in my description. You please follow that. It will be very useful to you. Okay? So hope you all are understanding. Thanks for supporting. Keep on supporting. Please watch Maths Mill channel regularly for more videos and more knowledge in mathematics. Thank you. Bye bye.